Hey, what's up everyone? Troy here with Restoring Eden. I'm out in our orchard over here. You're looking at right here, this is a strawberry tree. Beautiful evergreen tree, and it actually produces this really cool fruit. You can see it right here. This is the strawberry tree fruit. Beautiful red color. I found these growing at a local college in the area, and so I was able to pick these, and I was excited because I have never tried this fruit before. I have tons of people asking us about it, but I've never gotten the opportunity to try it, and this is a really interesting fruit. It has a very creamy, almost like yogurty texture. Maybe like a jelly kind of pudding like texture, so it's really smooth, and it's actually got some sugar to it. Let me show you the inside there. The seeds are not even really noticeable. You know, if these were chilled, these would actually be really good. This fruit is actually growing on me. I had a couple handfuls of these last night, and this is actually getting better and better. There's actually quite a bit of sugar in it. It's really just kind of enjoyable. It's not super sweet. It doesn't have a really strong flavor. Maybe some people said it's kind of tropical, kind of like papaya sort of flavor, but you know, I haven't had too much of that, so I can't really compare it to that. I will say though that this actually has a really high antioxidant level. It's actually, there's been some studies done. It's actually similar to the antioxidants found in raspberries. So, you know, why not add this to your edible landscape? It's definitely going to be a treat. It's going to be good for you. Throw it in some smoothies. I could really see that adding that kind of creamy, kind of like ice cream texture, that a smoothie, it can be really good if it's got that texture. So I would look into that. And by the way, look at this tree. This is just a really young strawberry tree, but it's a very beautiful tree. It can grow in shade. I definitely have seen that. Interestingly enough, the fruit that I found was actually all growing on this shadier side of the tree. Kind of interesting there, but this is a hedging plant. You could plant this in your front yard. No one from your HOAs would get upset with you, and it's a really attractive tree. So once again, this is the strawberry tree fruit, a cool addition to your edible landscape. All right, thanks.